He has suggested that if I want to start my journey of understanding the complex and intricate Terran mind, I should look no further than the sage words of a great Terran classic, Hooked on a Feeling. I still do not fully comprehend its meaning, but Peter assured me that its words are deep and that Terrans enjoy. Use moves your soul. Understanding you, Terrans, is just one of the reasons we are here today at EPCOT. We hope we may learn from each other and dedicate ourselves to promoting peace through understanding.
Our world would have been destroyed in the battle with the King, were not help me received from the Guardians of the Galaxy. I was fortunate to secure this exclusive interview with them.
Greetings, Terrans. I am Nova Prime Irani Rayam, Commander of the Nova Corps. On behalf of all Xandarians, I hope you have enjoyed exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born of the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of EPCOT. EPCOTers. Epcotians. Citizens of EPCOT. Does anyone know what they call themselves?
Alcoholics.
What? Someone needs to tell me what I'm on. Welcome, EPCOT Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. As you're about to enter a secure Nova area, I must ask you to put away your Terran communication devices at this time. Recording of any type is strictly prohibited. I am very serious about this. Now, please step forward into the chamber. You're gonna love this. Okay, before we begin, I should warn you that we have never teleported Terrans before. But since your molecular structure is very similar to Xandarians, it should work. It'll work. Stand by for teleportation. Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the cosmic generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourself what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone.
Cheerio, Mara. Go to Code Red. Prepare the fleet. And call the Guardians. Now.
There is no cause for alarm. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Nova?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
What did we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Now, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Well, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa, we didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where? It's some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To raise an error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean it's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, no, you're Nova Corps need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. We broke in the shuttles to follow him through the jump point.
Wait,
what? Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake. What?
They're escaping. Where's escaping?
The odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this. We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Terrans, listen up. You need to make your way to the evacuation shuttles now. We'll follow the fleet when we get our power back. I mean, when we get our power back. This planet of Guardians doesn't stand a chance. What? It's still on? What did I just say? You need to tell me what I'm on. Are you Terrans still there? Everything is under control. We're rebooting our subsystems and we'll have the power back soon. We do hope you enjoyed your brief visit with us. Just take it any worse.
So you're going to try, and then I guess we're just going to go with one person could go with you, one person could go with you. So two people have to
Secure all loose items. Pull down on the lap bar and push up when instructed to do so. Remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the Star Jumper at all times. And supervise younger writers.
Ready for the jump point.
Well, okay, I'm off Hold on to your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man. You're likely to kill him.
Good luck. You're gonna need it.
Follow me. What is that noise?
Noise? No one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
Oh, Christ. Was that the thing then? The Big Bang! That seems bigger.
We gotta get that generator. It's the only way back.
There it is! We got the generator! Hooray!
You have no idea how to use it.
Oh yeah? We'll see about that.
Rocket, get us home.
You know what would really help? An instruction manual. We get that all the time. Rocket, anytime. Okay. Let me try this.
Wait just a minute. That gives me gas. Well, we're here. It's about time. Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? Nova Team, link your Star Blasters. We have them contained, but not for long.
I'm fine.
You have been perfect.
Yeah, well, nobody's perfect. Look at Quill.
Locking coordinates for echoes.
It's epic. Ah, remind me to raise that rate. You're all heroes.
You really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see how they dress?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand.
Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.
Welcome back to EPCOT. Please gather all personal belongings and exit the Star Jumper. The Nova Corps thanks you for your service.
Hey, girls.